that's her. Hi, Foxy. Oh, yeah, that's her. Hi.
Do you think she remembers you?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
He's like, there's something about you.
Oh, we missed you. Lauren's waiting for you. Lauren's waiting for you.
He's like, let me get groomed before.
Hi.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hey, Foxy. Hey, Foxy.
You want to hold her?
Does she recognize you? That
Yeah, she recognizes us.
did you?
hugging
You
him.
you must have been used to keep treats in your pocket or something.
Oh, sorry. Look at you. This is him.
Oh, I think she really. Oh, yeah.
Hey, that's what you used to do. Foxy used to do that.
Oh.
She's like, I'm still Foxy, just a little older.
Just a little older, a little dirtier, a little heavier.
It's hard.
Right.
Foxy, we missed you.
No.
What do you think, Lauren?
I like it.
Are you sure this is your dog?
Huh?
Is this your dog? Does he recognize you?
Wondering about the.
Yeah.
A little bit?
A little bit.
She missed Daddy. Oh my gosh.
Now, was there a collar that she had?
You know.
Sit. Foxy, sit.
Sit. Sit.
Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Good doggy.
I'm gonna do one with my phone and then I'll do one.
Oh.
Jazzy, can you
Sit, Foxy.
squeeze in a little bit?
Foxy, sit. Sit.
Foxy, sit. Sit.
Foxy. Good girl. Turn.
I know.
And then Foxy. Good girl.